Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install AOL app on your mobile device. So first we have to tap on the Play Store in your mobile device, or if you have iPhone then you can tap on your App Store. And here we could see we just landed to our Play Store, and on the top search bar tap on there and type your AOL and enter the search bar which is on the top bottom right corner. And here we could see there's an app that says AOL email news weather. Tap on there as well, and here's a install button, just select that. And here we could see the AOL app is now installing. And after the installation is complete, you can open the AOL app and sign in with your AOL account or create a new account if you don't have one. And if you have any specific questions or encounter any issues during the download or installation process, you can comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for upcoming uploads.